Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss tomorrow's intraday trading opportunities in Nifty and Bank Nifty using a powerful concept called price action with liquidity sweep. First, let's understand the logic. Liquidity sweep happens when price tests an important support or resistance level, take out the stop loss order placed there, and then gives a strong reversal close in the opposite direction. Um, this is where smart traders enter the market with high probability trades. So, suppose if Nifty gap up and moves near 24,850, that's this zone, but then a 15-minute candle close below 24,800. 24,800, that means this zone. So if Nifty gap up this area or open flat and then a candle move to this type of candle move and close below 24,800, close below 24,800, we can look for a short trade. In that case, our stop loss will be 50 to 60 point. That means this area will be our stop loss, and target 100 to 120 points. If we enter 24,800, then our target will be near this zone, 24,680. This is called liquidity sweep. Price action with liquidity. This is our target area. So if Nifty opens, gap up and moves near 24,850, but then a 15-minute candle close below 24,800, we can look for a short trade, and the stop loss will be 50 to 60 points, and target will be 100 to 120 points target. On the other hand, if Nifty opens with gap down or touches 24,650, समझ लो कि निफ्टी गैप डाउन यहाँ पर ओपन हुआ, इसके बाद निफ्टी थोड़ा नीचे जाकर फिर ऐसे क्लोज कर दिया 24,680 को ऊपर, then we initiate buy trade and our stop loss will be 50 to 60 point. That means near this area our stop loss, or these candles below our stop loss, and the target will be 100 to 120 points. So if Nifty opens gap down or touches 24,650 and then gives a 15-minute candle close just above 24,680, we can initiate buy trade. Stop loss here, and the target will be 100 to 120 points. That means this area. So let's move to बैंक निफ्टी. अगर बैंक निफ्टी को हम लोग देखें, यहाँ पर 15 मिनट का चार्ट है. So if बैंक निफ्टी moves up and touches 54,800, then a 15-minute close below 54,180, इस तरह का कोई कैंडल बना लिया बैंक निफ्टी ने ये टच करके, then we can short trade, and stop loss will be 100 to 150 points, and target will be 200 to 300 points. Just this level will be our target area. On the opposite side, if बैंक निफ्टी first comes down and touches 53,850, समझ लो बैंक निफ्टी फ्लैट खुला और गैप डाउन होके ये लेवल को टच करके फिर बैंक निफ्टी ने ऐसे अपना 15 मिनट का कैंडल क्लोज कर लिया, then we can initiate buy trade, and stop loss in that case 200 points from this candle and target 400 points. So These are the levels and trade ideas for tomorrow based on price action with liquidity sweep strategy. Trade with proper risk management, follow your rules and stay disciplined. Thank you.